Boys, NHL season has come to an end, and for all you young guys on entry-level deals, or even the vets that want to buy something really nice for themselves, treat yourselves, I've got a few options here between $10,000 and $15,000, something that'll look real nice if you're up in Muskoka, or if you want to go off to Europe, or if you're like me and like to go to Cabo. Check it out. First, beautiful timepiece, the Rolex Air King. I love this timepiece. Oyster band, smooth bezel, great everyday watch, around $10,000. Let's see what else we have. Ooh, I'm gonna pull two pieces between $13,000, $15,000. The yellow or rose gold Datejust with a Wimbledon dial. This is my favorite dial that comes on the Datejust. Just a beautiful timepiece. Again, yellow gold, rose gold two-tone, great options. And lastly, let's see what we got. Yes, the Rolex Submariner two-tone, blue on blue. That's how it comes on two-tone. It's just a sexy watch. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. All of these are amazing options. $10,000 to $15,000. Guys, on entry level, treat yourself. You deserve it. Veterans, you want to treat yourself to a nice gift, you deserve it too. But more importantly, boys, you had a great season. You work hard. Do yourselves a favor. Enjoy the off season.